Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get muffled audio on Capcut PC. Alright guys, here I have opened my Capcut application on my PC, and as you can see that I have imported my audio to this Capcut project. And to get muffled audio on Capcut PC, the first thing we're going to do is clicking on the audio like this, and then we're going to click on the voice changer, and we can use the voice folders to get muffled audio. So you can use the final, lo-fi, or megaphone effect for your audio to make it muffled. But before it, I'm going to show to you the original audio.
You and I will love.
Okay, this is the original audio. Then we're going to try the effect one by one for the megaphone effect.
You and I will love.
Okay, and for the lo-fi
You and I will love. Speed.
and
You and I
final.
will love.
Okay, and I think the lo-fi effect is better, so I'm going to select this lo-fi effect to get the muffled audio on my Capcut. Okay, then I'm going to select this effect.
You and I will love.
Alright guys, and that's how we can get muffled audio on Capcut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.